Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel 11 easily. Open the Pixel app, select a shape, remove the background color, adjust the shape, duplicate the shape, change the background color, adjust the color, select another shape, change the color, duplicate the shape, select the color filter, change the color of photo, adjust the color, adjust the photo. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.